just because that gap is a little different. Now, you're gonna press that in, you're gonna go ahead and press. So, the issue, if you're having it, is there's a gap here. So,
How do you know?
so there's a gap here because I can pull the paper very easily, okay? So that tells you that the gasket is
Pull
not
pull it further so we can
seating
see.
properly,
Okay.
okay? So, the issue you might have is that the handle is very tight on this latch. What you can do, because you've seated the rear first, you probably have a little play in there with your gasket. So what you do, if this is super tight, go ahead and take your hammer and just tap here and here. You don't have to tap super hard, just lightly. What that's gonna do is it's just gonna loosen your door up on your frame, and then you're going to be able to get more play out of your latch. So what you're going to want to do after you tap that, take your 7/16 wrench. You're going to want to loosen there's two 1/4x20 bolts here. Loosen those up. And now you move that, so you don't have to move it too much, just a little bit to the rear. And that's all you should need to do, just a little bit, and then tighten them back up. Tighten it one at a time, don't tighten one completely, and until they're snug. And you only have to go till they're snug, don't go too tight because you can snap the bolt. And then what you're gonna do is go ahead, try and shut the door again. Should have full tension, open and close. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and stick your piece of paper in there. Now I cannot pull my paper out.
Is it still tight on the other side too?
Yes. So again, just to make sure, this is the best way to check. Nice and tight.
Okay.
So now the door, as this piece of paper, and a piece of paper is just a gap. You can use any paper you want. It's just telling you that that gasket is seated with this thickness of piece of paper,
Okay.
which is more than enough.
Thank you.